children to do this year. The Queen Quet, head from the body of the Gullah Geechee Nation, coming to honor for this year Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week. Oh, 100 children, it's a time round, yeah. I want 100 children for join me inside these your chambers of Georgetown County. All they to celebrate with we one more again this year. Yeah. So tune in and yeti what the staff say. But the proclamation and then 100 children need to make your way on down here to the Gullah Geechee Nation. All week follow we at Gullah Geechee and 100 going know what we to do. You know it's a celebration of self-determination.
Proclamation that recognizes the importance of awareness and appreciation for the Gullah Geechee culture and to honor the history and legacy of the Gullah Geechee Nation here in Georgetown County. This is an action that we have historically taken for a number of years now. This proclamation ultimately declares July 30th, 2016 through August 7th, 2016 is Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week here in Georgetown County. It's certainly been recognized that the preservation and celebration of this culture has been important here in Georgetown County, and throughout the years it's gained momentum due to the acknowledgement and celebration, throughout the state and other areas. We are pleased to have with us tonight Queen Quet, the chiefess of the Gullah Geechee Nation, and have her visit us tonight. And we certainly, as a staff, highly recommend that you favorably consider adopting this proclamation. We'll be glad to answer any questions, and I'm sure Queen Quet will be available to answer any questions you may have as well.
Any questions to Sal? Comments? If not, I'll entertain a motion to approve that proclamation.
Mr. Chairman, I move that we approve proclamation number 2016-14.
There is a motion of Mrs. Johnson to approve. Is there a second?
Second.
Second by Mr. Beard. Discussion. All in favor?
Mr. Shelton, I think I'd like to get a photo opportunity from this. Is that the proclamation?